Biomedical engineering offers a wide range of career paths, and one exciting and lucrative option is working as a sales engineer. Sales engineers, particularly those in biomedical engineering, play a pivotal role in bridging the gap between medical technology companies and healthcare providers. This job is a blend of technical expertise and business acumen, making it ideal for those who enjoy interacting with people and applying their engineering knowledge in real-world settings. Sales engineers working for local or international medical and laboratory equipment companies provide sales services to hospitals and healthcare institutions. Their responsibilities include prospecting, which involves identifying potential clients, mostly healthcare providers or clinical engineers, and reaching out to them. They provide consultation, advice, and live demonstrations of medical equipment and devices to prospective clients, ensuring they understand the benefits and features of the products. Sales engineers must also be able to perform basic calibration and maintenance tasks if needed to support clients before or after a sale. One of the most crucial aspects of a sales engineer's role is overseeing or handling the installation of the equipment after the sale has been made. A significant part of a sales engineer's day is spent setting up meetings, visiting potential clients, and maintaining relationships. These meetings are critical to closing sales and building lasting partnerships with clients. The role involves daily prospecting through physical visits, email, and social media to engage with potential customers. Most of the workday revolves around reaching out and engaging with clients. Sales engineers must prepare detailed offers, negotiate prices, and offer discounts where needed. This requires some business and accounting knowledge to ensure deals are both profitable and competitive. Sales engineers often have sales quotas they must meet. While this can be challenging, it is also highly rewarding as they earn commissions on sales. Building and maintaining strong relationships with clients is vital for long-term success in sales. It's not just about making a sale, but ensuring that clients remain satisfied with their products and services. Establishing trust and regular communication are key components of success in this field. One of the significant advantages of being a sales engineer in biomedical engineering is the potential for higher earnings. Compensation packages for sales engineers are typically more lucrative than many other roles in the biomedical field, especially when commissions are factored in. Moreover, the job often involves international travel, as sales engineers attend conferences and showcase their products to clients worldwide. This global exposure and the opportunity to meet clients from different parts of the world make it a fun and exciting career. For biomedical engineering students interested in a sales engineering career, obtaining an internship as a sales engineer or product specialist in a medical device company is highly recommended. Internships provide valuable hands-on experience, helping students understand the business side of the profession while developing the communication and technical skills required to succeed. Sales engineers in biomedical engineering have a unique opportunity to combine their technical knowledge with business skills, making the role both rewarding and challenging. With high earning potential, the chance to travel, and the excitement of working in a fast-paced environment, this career is ideal for individuals who enjoy both technology and people. For students looking to enter this field, internships are the perfect way to gain practical experience and secure a job as a sales biomedical engineering engineer. Want to dive deeper into biomedical engineering and healthcare technology? Subscribe for more educational content and check the video description for a link to purchase Professor Loai Alzoub ebook, What is Biomedical Engineering for Students and Parents? It's packed with insights, information, and resources to help you explore this exciting field.